Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Doha Mobile Bank online. You can transfer money to another Doha Mobile account or send money to another bank or from your phone or computer. Let's get started. First, make sure your age restricted are not there and you're registered for Doha Mobile or mobile banking, have a stable internet connection, have the receipt, bank details ready. Now let's begin. First, open the Doha Mobile Bank app or visit the Doha Mobile Internet Banking website. Log in using your username and MPIN or password. After login, go to transfer or fund transfer. Tap on money transfer. If there is your first time spending money, you may need to add a beneficiary. Tap add beneficiary, then enter receipt details such as account number, bank number, IFSC or SWIFT code is required. Save the beneficiary. Select the beneficiary from the list. Enter the amount you want to send. Double check all the details to avoid mistakes. Then tap submit or next. You will receive an OTP code on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to confirm the transaction. All confirm, then transfer will be processed. You will see a success message on screen. The amount may arrive instantly or within some time depending on type of transfer. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.